Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to copy your Twitter X profile link, get the X URL for 2025 version. Now before we get started, I always do this on every tutorial. I go back to App Store first, and then in here type in Twitter, just making sure your application is up to date. As you can see right here, it says open on my end, that means it's up to date. Alright? So click on open for that one, and once you're here, I want you to go to your profile. Now you might ask me how to get to the profile, so just click on the top left option. On your profile icon right there, click profile. Go to your most recent tweet. On my end should be your tweet and not a repost, not a like, not even a comment. It should be coming from you. And once in here on the arrow button, the share button right there, click on it and click on copy link. Now once you have your copy link, just basically go to any notes. You have your notepad, your browser, just you need to paste it, alright? I'm gonna go for my Sapphire right here. Let me just delete that one. And then here, I'm gonna click on paste. Like so, I'm just gonna delete everything. I'm gonna delete everything right there, even status. So now this is gonna be my profile link. Moving forward, if I copy this one and click on go, I'm gonna go straightly to my profile. I can now share this one to my friends and followers, alright? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.